Can we erase this Gemini logo here? The background is white. I didn't see it well. Look at this one here. So this is AI generated images that I've generated with Nano Banana. And you see this Gemini logo right here. Now the first fix, just like I've done here, is to prompt the image for a background which is white or a white background, and it will cover up the logo or the watermark. Other than that, if there's any other background like this one, then you see that logo right there. How do we take this one off? Quick fix. Okay, so we will go into Canva. A big disclaimer here, you need Canva Pro for this. It's a simple process. It shouldn't take you more than 1 minute to fix this. So you go into an upload. I like this upload here quickly because I don't want to go into the Canva editor itself with all the pages there. I'll upload the file. First of all, I need to download the file. So I'll cancel and then go into Nano Banana and then download it. So you'll be downloaded into your folder and upload it to Canva. So that is how you start the process. Okay, so we'll go into Canva. I'll upload this image, case notes. There you have it. Now there is the watermark or the logo. I don't want to use it in a new design. It will take me to a Canva editor. We will look at that in another video if possible. But I want to quickly edit this image. And the tool we are using is a Magic Erase. See how simple this is? It will give me an eraser. You can increase the brush size or reduce it. I'll take the 40 there because it covers the watermark or the logo, and then I would click on it and then hit erase. There you go, very well. So now to create another version, I'll go into save, do nothing else, just go into save, and it will create another version of the image with an edit. So this is the edited version. This is the one with the logo or the watermark. This is the edited version. I would delete the first one, move to trash, and then keep this one. I can keep it edited, and I can download it right there, and then I can replace it. Yeah, that is it. That's the quickest way to do it. Now, if you're not using Canva Pro, which is quite difficult if you have the free version, there is another way. You go into the apps. There are several apps, external apps that are on Canva now. You are looking for each eraser, and you can see a lot of them. Now, what I've seen is that this one here does the job perfectly, but it only has 1 credit, and after using that 1 credit, you have to pay for it. So it's much ado with nothing, but that is it. If you just need that image real quick, that is a good way. So this is the example. It deletes or erases anything on an image. There you go, like that. Yeah, so quick upload onto Canva, and then you can take off or erase the watermark or the logo on Nano Banana generated image or any AI generated image. That is it. If you have any question, you need any explanation on this, comments, and then I'll do a quick follow-up video on this one. Subscribe. See you on the other side.